Okay, so basically our background information is like in a city. We got this from.
Oh, we get to cite where we got it from.
That's fine.
In a city of more than 8.4 million people, one in every 125 New Yorkers are homeless. That's nearly 70,000 men, women, and children. Every night, like about 4,000 people are in the streets. And streets, subways, or either public areas, say the sidewalks, like somewhere that they could feel warm. And for every person on the sidewalks or on the trains, 17 more are sleeping in shelter. So it's kind of not fair. It's trying to balance out.
So basically, this is a graph. Well, the number one reason why people are homeless is because of financial issues. So it's not because not every homeless people has a mental illness or just does drugs or anything. Sometimes they could have had a good life earlier in their years. They had a job and everything, but simply because of financial issues and they wasn't able to keep up with their bills when they got evicted or whatever, they had to become homeless. So then this graph just represents the rise of homeless people from 2018, from 2011 to 2018, and then it rose to, in 2018, there was 67,170 people homeless.
And we could fix this homelessness issue. We could increase federal housing programs because they're designed to provide decent housing units for low-income families. And it's one of the most successful housing-based solutions to reduce homelessness.
Okay, that's all we have.